Hello, and welcome to this video about Google's new AI. In this video, we'll discuss what Google's new AI is, how it works, and some of the potential applications of this new technology. What is AI? AI, or artificial intelligence, is a branch of computer science that deals with the creation of intelligent agents, which are systems that can reason, learn, and act autonomously. AI has been around for decades, but it has only been in recent years that AI has really started to take off. This is due in large part to the development of large language models, which are AI systems that are trained on massive datasets of text and code. Google's new AI technologies. Google is at the forefront of AI research, and they have recently announced a number of new AI technologies. These include Lambda. Lambda is a large language model that can generate text, translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, and answer your questions in an informative way. PaLM. PaLM is a next-generation large language model that is even more powerful than Lambda. It can understand and respond to complex questions, generate different creative text formats, and translate languages. Imagen. Imagen is a new AI technology that can generate realistic images from text descriptions. Musicalm. Musicalm is a new AI technology that can generate music from text descriptions. What is Google's new AI? Google's new AI is a large language model, LLM, called PaLM. PaLM is a neural network that has been trained on a massive dataset of text and code. This allows PaLM to generate text, translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, and answer your questions in an informative way. How does Google's new AI work? PaLM works by using a technique called deep learning. Deep learning is a type of machine learning that uses artificial neural networks to learn from data. Neural networks are inspired by the human brain, and they are able to learn complex patterns from data. What are the potential applications of Google's new AI? PaLM has a wide range of potential applications. Some of these applications include generating text. PaLM can be used to generate text, such as news articles, blog posts, and even creative writing. Translating languages. PaLM can be used to translate languages, making it possible to communicate with people from all over the world. Writing different kinds of creative content. PaLM can be used to write different kinds of creative content, such as poems, code, scripts, musical pieces, email, letters, etc. Answering your questions in an informative way. PaLM can be used to answer your questions in an informative way, even if they are open-ended, challenging, or strange. How these technologies can be used. These new AI technologies have the potential to revolutionize a wide range of industries. For example, Lambda could be used to improve customer service chatbots. PaLM could be used to develop new AI-powered products and services. Imaging could be used to create new forms of advertising, and musicum could be used to create new forms of music. The future of AI. The future of AI is very bright. As our technologies continue to develop, they will have an even greater impact on our lives. AI could be used to solve some of the world's most pressing problems, such as climate change and poverty. It could also be used to create new forms of entertainment and education. Google's new AI is a powerful tool with a wide range of potential applications. This technology has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with information and the way we communicate with each other. We can't wait to see what the future holds for Palm and other AI technologies. Thank you for watching this video about Google's new AI. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.